kids are gone. You're listening to classical music, and you hear this little slosh. And you're like, kids are gone, what's happening?
Like an ocean in your fuel tank?
Yeah, that's a good visual.
Okay.
Like a slosh. Like a slushy slosh. So apparently, you get out, you pull over because you're really peaceful. The kids are gone. Maybe your spouse is gone. You're just driving solo, and you deserve the quietness in your cab.
That's right.
You pull over and you say, what is going on? You don't see anything, but this slosh continues and continues. Well, dig this. If you've got an all-wheel drive Ford Edge, it was a problem with full fuel. I can't even say it. Fuel slosh.
See, tongue twister for you too.
2016 to 2018 MKX Lincoln and which same platform, 15 to 19 Ford Edge. You know the good news, Susie? It's an easy fix.
I got to know what it is.
Now, this is not a recall, so don't yell at people. It's not going to be free. However, it's an inexpensive repair. So dig this. Your fuel tank has fuel straps.
Oh, and if they're not secure.
Or the installation. Think about it.
Yeah.
Now, a lot of you saying, well, my old tank was an old steel tank. Now they're plastic. So you get what we call harmonics. Acoustics. In fact, we have tools in the garage. We can look at a lab scope and we can see a clarinet back there. We can see a baritone sax.
Oh, my gosh.
And some of you come into the garage and you'll say, well, it sounds like a sousaphone back there.